What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to review ACX. ACX, or Audiobook Creation Exchange, is a platform that connects authors and publishers with narrators to create audiobooks. It offers tools for production, distribution, and collaboration, allowing users to either narrate their own work or hire professionals. ACX simplifies the process of entering the growing audiobook market. Now, let's take a look at some of its key features. Elevate your story. ACX enables authors to enhance their narratives by connecting them to over 1 million narrators. This vast selection allows creators to find the perfect voice that resonates with their story's tone and style. With step-by-step guidance and flexible payment options, even first-time users can confidently transform their written work into high-quality audio. Reach a global audience. By utilizing ACX, authors can effectively reach millions of potential listeners. The platform streamlines the review process with human oversight, ensuring that projects are polished and ready for release in as little as 10 days. Additionally, ACX automatically notifies followers on Audible about new releases, helping authors grow their fan base effortlessly. Perfect your sound. ACX Audiolab provides creators with essential tools to ensure audio quality. Users can upload their recordings for instant feedback on critical metrics like RMS and peak levels. This feature is invaluable for both audition and final productions, allowing authors to fine-tune their audio before it reaches listeners, ensuring a professional sound. Monitor your success. With ACX, authors can easily track their audiobook performance through detailed sales and royalty reports. This feature empowers creators to understand their market impact and make informed decisions for future projects. Additionally, ACX offers business support including tax forms, simplifying the process of managing an independent creative business. So how does it work? For authors, they can easily create audiobooks on ACX by following a structured process. First, they claim their title by creating a free account and ensuring they hold audio rights. Next, they collaborate with narrators, deciding on payment terms and providing performance notes. And finally, once the audiobook passes quality assurance, it's distributed to major platforms like Audible and Amazon, allowing authors to track sales and earnings. For narrators and studios, they can thrive on ACX by following a straightforward process. First, they create a detailed profile showcasing their skills and vocal samples to attract authors. After auditioning for projects, they collaborate with authors to negotiate terms and timelines. Once the recording is complete and passes quality assurance, narrators receive payment and can seek new opportunities to continue their audiobook journey. Publishers and agents can effectively utilize ACX to expand their audiobook offerings. Initially, they must create a free account to claim audio rights for their titles. After setting up a title profile, they can receive auditions from narrators or upload existing audio files. Collaborating with narrators on payment terms and production ensures a polished final product, which ACX then distributes to major platforms like Audible and Amazon. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. ACX enforces stringent audio quality standards that can be challenging for new narrators and authors. Many beginners may struggle to meet these requirements, leading to rejections after significant time investment in recording. This can result in wasted effort and frustration, particularly for those unfamiliar with professional audio production techniques and equipment. The royalty structure on ACX can be unfavorable for authors, especially with the 50-50 royalty split with narrators. If an author opts for non-exclusive distribution, their earnings drop to 25%. This can significantly limit potential profits, particularly if the audiobook does not sell well, leaving authors feeling financially strained after investing in production. ACX primarily serves self-publishers in the US and the UK, limiting access for authors outside these regions. This restriction can hinder international authors from utilizing the platform effectively, forcing them to seek alternative avenues for audiobook production and distribution. Consequently, this lack of global reach can reduce opportunities for wider audience engagement and sales. In conclusion, ACX offers a legitimate pathway for authors, narrators, and publishers to enter the growing audiobook market. While it presents some challenges such as strict quality standards and royalty structures, many find success and profitability through the platform. Ultimately, it can be a worthwhile investment of time and resources for committed creators. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.